I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no chain rocker. Make my business, work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my rear view and you been trying. Said you out here doing numbers but you been lying. And you know my little baby been fine. In the crib bet she do it for the 9-9.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video today. So today's video is going to be a little bit exciting, and I just want to say I appreciate all my new subscribers, man, and my day ones. I appreciate all the ones that's tagging along, that's coming from the videos from the Lone Star Throwdown. Hey man, if y'all see me out there, you should have came and spoke. Hey, I'm cool with everybody, so yeah, we had a nice time out there. But anyways guys, today's video we have actually have new seats that's coming in. We got some racing seats that's going to be going into this 96. We also have a new console, which I got the console here today, so we will be taking the original seat out today, and I might just go ahead and put it in here. That's what we're going to do, because I have to use the brackets, the original brackets that's on these seats, and I have to put them on my racing seat. So with that being said guys, I will show y'all the new center console right now, so y'all just stay tuned. Like I said guys, we just got it in just now, and yeah man, center console, and I'm truly happy about this because now I get to put my drinks in here, man. On, you know, what I had in there before, I couldn't really just put my drinks in because, you know, I got that dashboard in there, so it's kind of covering up the where I can put my drinks at. But now I can put my drinks here. But the only thing with this center console is that I am gonna have to cut here. I will have to cut a hole so my gear shifter will fit in here, because I tried to look for a center console with the hole already, and man, those are hard to come by guys. They are really hard to come by, so I went on ahead and ordered this one. I'll just cut a hole, and you know, I'm gonna put my little style to it, make it look nice. I will be painting this red, so y'all just stay tuned for that video as well. And yeah man, so let me go ahead and show y'all what I got going on in here now. I did take off this panel because I do have to put the door pins back on, and I'll be putting this panel back on. We already took the little console out, so yeah, everything is going good guys. Y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, I will be taking this seat out today. I don't know if I'm going to turn y'all back on after I take the seat out or what, but y'all just stay tuned, man. King's Life checking in. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in the videos, and subscribe if you like the videos, you like what you see. Go ahead and join the King's Life channel and join the family, man. Appreciate y'all. All right guys, so we are using a 5/8 socket. We'll go ahead and take the seat up out of here and go to the next step. I've been wanting to do this for a long time guys. Yes, I'm okay baby. What's up with you? All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these bolts out, take the seat out, and then I'll get back with y'all as soon as I get finished. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right guys, this is what we looking like right now. I'm gonna have to take these speakers out, both speakers. Then I'm gonna have to remove this carpet up, because on the new setup it has 4 holes, so I'm gonna have to drill 2 more holes so the those seats can fit in here the way they're supposed to. This was a a single bench seat, so it only had the 2 holes, which it made it a lot easier to install. But on these racing seats, it does have 4 holes, 2 holes on each side. So I will have to drill 2 more holes, kind of like in this area. I'll just have to mark everything up, and then, you know, see where I have to drill a hole and put bolts in. But we're gonna get to that point. But yes sir, we're getting it all taken care of, guys. So I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. Peace.